Hey guys, Craig here again with howtopest.com, and we have another fantastic product. This is from MGK. This is called Vendetta 360. If you've used any of the MGK products in the past, you know they make a fantastic bait for roaches. The 360, for you users out there, it has that same active ingredient as the nitro, I believe. The difference is the bait matrix. So when you change the bait matrix up, you don't give the roaches a chance to become resistant or just less desirable of a bait that you're putting out. So always change your baits and do it at least every 3 months. Some people go every month. How do you use this? They say 6 to 12 grams per 100 square feet, I believe it is. Nobody's gonna know that unless you're a drug dealer and you sell cocaine on the side, you have a scale, and you're gonna measure this stuff out. Otherwise, we're just gonna put a pin size head. I hold up my pinky because I say about half the size of your pinky fingernail, a little bit bigger depending on how heavy your infestation is, a little less if it's not so heavy. Where do you put this out? You're gonna put this anywhere you're seeing roach activity. So if you're seeing them behind a microwave, if you're seeing them behind a refrigerator, in a cabinet, anywhere you're getting that activity around floor drains, then you're gonna wanna put a little dot of this here and there. If you do your bait successfully and put it where the activity is, you can eliminate roaches by just using bait and not even having to combine this with a spray and just going heavy. This will do the job for you. You don't have to use this bait with other MGK products. You can mix it with your favorite ones, like say Advian or whatever your choice of roach baits may be. It's just the key thing is here, rotation. Just make sure, at least like I said, at least every 3 months, rotate these baits. It comes with a, turn it around here, it comes with a plunger and the syringe right here. You basically just unscrew the cap, you put your, you can't see them because it's got the packaging in here, but it has a little screw-on tip. You screw that on. It allows you to put out that fine little tip, like I said, a pinhead size, and then put the cap on and store in a dry place when you're not using this, and it'll last you quite a bit. Comes with 4 tubes, as you can see, the plunger, and then 2 different heads inside there. When the heads dry up, you can easily poke it out with a paper clip. Open a paper clip up or a piece of wire, baling wire, whatever, and it'll poke that dried up gel that'll dry up in that little extra tip that goes on, and then you can put it back on, you're good to go. MGK, great product, guys. I can't say enough about them. We use them in our own rotations. So if you have any questions on this product, just reach out to us at howtopest.com.